In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Contacts not syncing on your iPhone. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings. Use the search bar and type Contacts. Tap the Contacts app from the results. From here, select Accounts. Choose your Google account and make sure the toggle for Contacts is turned on. If you see a pop-up asking what to do with your local contacts, tap Keep on my iPhone. If syncing still isn't working, scroll down and tap Default account. Make sure your Gmail account is selected so new contacts save and sync properly. Sometimes iOS needs a moment to update, so give it a few seconds. You can return to contacts.google.com on your browser and refresh the page to check if the contacts have appeared. If the problem continues, you can remove your Google account from Contacts and add it again. This often resets the sync connection. And that's how to fix Google Contacts not syncing on your iPhone.